Hey, we've moved to math, so we're going to do our plus book. And in our plus book, we're talking about shapes and being able to break them into parts. So right here it says, draw to show how you found two equal parts. So if we take this and we fold it in half, let's say we've got a piece of paper here. Okay, it's got money on it. And we take it and we fold it in half. Oops. And if I was to cut that, I would have how many pieces of paper? I would have 2 pieces of paper. So if we take this square and we divide it in half, we would have 2 equal parts. They're the same size. We have to make it right in the center. Okay? If we don't make it in the, well anyway, we have to make it right in the center so that we have 2 equal parts that are the exact same size. Now if I wanted to do 4 equal parts, I could do it right down the center, right here. And I could do it this way. Now I have 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Okay? Here's a circle. And it says draw to show how you found 4 equal parts. So I could take this circle and I could cut it in half. And then I could go across the other way and cut it in half again. And I have how many equal parts? They're all the same size, or supposed to be. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Okay? So I'm going to come over here and I have a whole circle, or I have a whole pie. Okay? And I'm going to cut that pie in half. So it would be halves. I would have 1, 2 equal parts. If I did it this way, I'm going to do it into fourths, because fourths means I have 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Now, this is an equal part because they're the same size. Is this an equal part? If I drew that line right there, are those pieces equal? Are they the same size? No, they are unequal. There's that that's that prefix we talked about. Unequal. They are not equal parts. So, I'm going to draw, okay, we know we had this as an equal part. We could also go across that way. Look at this. If I went from this corner over to that corner, are those equal parts? Yes, they are. How can you find out if 2 parts are equal? Because you could take them and you could cut a square in half, and you know that they would be equal because they're going to be the same size. Okay, we're going to move through this kind of quickly today. So here we have a round circle, and you're going to fold that shape in half. And then you're going to draw the line down the middle, and you've got equal parts because they're the exact same size. So those would be in halves because you have 2 parts that is called half. You have half of a circle. They are halves. If I have this square and I'm going to draw 4 equal parts, I could draw from corner to corner. That would be half because I'd have 2 parts, but I need 4 equal parts, so I'm going to go to the other corner and go straight down to the corner. Now I have what? 4 equal parts. Is that halves or fourths? You're right. That would be fourths. So here's my circle. I'm going to draw 4 equal parts. I could go this way, and then I could do this, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Is that halves or quarters? Remember, quarters or fourths, quarters, that would be quarters. Remember how 4 quarters is $1? That's one, we have 4 of them in $1. They are quarters or fourths. Look at a half of a circle. Look at a fourth of the same circle. Which part is larger? Which one is larger? Here's a circle and it's got halves. Here's a circle and it's got fourths. Which one is larger? You are right. The half is larger than the fourth or the quarter. Good job. We're going to go on.